to help me. Siya yung ating media manager, si Sir Aaron. Hi, Sir Aaron! Ayan. Palakpakan kami kasama kayo kay Sir Aaron!
Hi, Nikki!
Hello, sir!
Congratulations! Congratulations, Director. And kay RCD. Alright, our first question will come from Michael Bix Almacen of Bix Buzz.
Hello, nagulat naman ako kung yung una. Teka lang, isi-zoom ko muna yung cellphone.
Go lang, take your time. Zoomers, that's why Zoomers are here. So you can zoom it in.
Okay nga. Diba, ang gagwapo nila, no? Ang gaganda. Pero, ano pa karamdam nyo na super lakas nung unang season? At saka parang most watched made for YouTube series itong Zoomers. Let's start with Directed.
Yes! Thank you, Bix! Of course, syempre, we were pleasantly surprised. Nung binalita sa amin ng YouTube na yun na nga, most watch yung Zoomers sa lahat ng made for YouTube series or ngayon ABS-CBN Studios na we're happy for the kids. Kasi when Derek Lauren conceptualized the show, it's really meant to launch new stars from Star Magic. Kaya nga nagsimula sa reality show. And then ngayon, it just proves na meron kaming na-launch kasi maraming nanood nung first season.
Kay Direct, bagong director.
Derek Kevin. Si Derek Kevin po ang director ng season.
Yeah.
Definitely I wasn't part of the first season. But I definitely watched it. No, bago
Impression ba?
magsimula. Ay, malala. Wala lang si Derek Lauren pa dito, pero very few lang yung sinabi niya sa akin before the shoot. And ang revelation ay nakasalalay raw sa akin kung may season 3. So, that's needless to say.
Kaya Harvey at Liza. Ano pakiramdam na matagumpay yung unang season?
Yun nga po, sabi ni Directed, sobrang nagulat din po kami. Kasi kami dalawa ni Harvey, this is our first lead role. So, thank you po. As much as nag-expect kami, parang nandun pa rin po yung gulat na mamahalin pa rin ng mga tao yung first na ginawa po namin together. So, yun po.
Ay, Harvey, nag-open ng doors tong Zoomer, ha? Ang dami mong project after Zoomer.
Opo, ayun nga po eh. Yeah, I think on behalf of the cast, I can say that we really weren't expecting season 1 to blow up the way it did. Kaya, ayun, ako personally am very thankful na nandito kami ngayon sa MediaCon ng season 2. It's very exciting na we get to continue the story ng Zoomers. And yeah, I'm happy to be with Derek Kevin and the rest of the cast here for season 2.
Para sa mga boys, paano nyo pinagdadaan yung yung, kasi sa beach to kinuhanan, paano nyo pinagdaan yung mga, alam nyo ba yun?
Parang kailangan si Ralph muna yung... Kasi siya may topless eh.
Madalas naman mag-topless si Rap sa social media.
Pero sa nakita nyo naman sa trailer, nasa beach kami. So syempre pinaghandaan po namin yan, todo diet, todo workout. Kahit nandun po kami sa resort sa La Playa, Estrella, sa Zambales. Ako po, siguro mga 2 meals a day lang, minsan walang breakfast. Or kung may eksena na po sa umaga, di po talaga ako kakain. So it's all part of the job for me, and it shows na kailangan din po namin paghandaan yung mga roles namin, not just the emotional aspect, pero syempre mas lalo na dito yung physical, di ba?
It's a discipline, in fairness.
What's up? Flex muna, right? Di, honestly, ang hirap mag-dieta sa beach kasi daming daming food. Yeah. Harvey, Boss Harvey, thank you. Pero yun, yun lang, like what Ralph, actually, I'm proud with what Ralph did nung last time. Kasi he really, parang nag-intermittent fast nga si Ralph. He didn't eat breakfast, he didn't eat lunch. To the point na parang, uy, Ralph, kumain ka nga, baka ma-faint ka or something, diba? So, yun.
Wala pa si Direk Lauren. Sige, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ayan. Next, ay, okay. Meron pa pala, sorry. Nasabaw yung host. Sorry. For the work. Ayan. And of course, before we proceed with the questions, we have to unveil the official poster. Are you guys excited?
Let's go!
Yes. Kailangan matindi muna yung intense talaga ng pagka-ano natin, pagka-excite. Let me hear you say yes!
Yeah!
Hey, lalabas na ba? Ilalabas na?
Drum roll!
Pilit muna. Sige na nga. Let's all watch this. Let's count 10 to 1. 10! 9! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2! 1!
Wow! Siluk! Tingnan siluk! Tingnan siluk! Ba't ganyan si Direk Martin? Yeah!
Wow! What can you say?
Actually, first time lang din po namin nakita tong post.
Yes, yes. Ang ganda!
There you go, the official poster of the Zoomer Season 2!
Yeah!
So directed by Direk Kevin Z. Alhambra. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Aaron, for reminding me, oo. May nag-i-inquire kasi Rocky. Kailangan naman di ko sagutin. Sorry. Eto. Let's proceed with the questions kasi I have here questions then from the press. Hold on. Open ko lang yung Viber. Wait lang. Pasensya na po talaga. Asan na ba yun yung message ni Miss Jess? Eto na nga. Ayan. Babasahin ko lang. Para lang transparent tayong lahat, mga anak. Okay, we have your question for Harvey. Are you ready? Harvey, your question is... Game ka na ba? Season 1 garnered a lot of positive feedback for its relatable portrayal of Gen Z. How has the audience's reaction impacted your approach to your characters in Season 2? Kamay sa dibdib? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Ako, I feel like, alam mo, reading yung tweets ng audience from Season 1, may mga insights sila na hindi ko naisip bilang artista ni Jigs. Na parang, oo nga no, but this is a good way of looking at yung character ni Jigs or where he's coming from or yung, I guess, motivations niya as a character. So definitely, reading the tweets, seeing yung response ng mga tao online, it did impact my performance in a way na parang I'm more careful with yung approach ko kay Jigs sa Season 2. I feel like, through Direk Kev, nahanap namin yung puso ng characters, pero ang laki din ng influence ng fans in terms of how they see the character, kung paano nila na-interpret si Jigs in their own way. So I just took influences here from tweets and from Direk Kev and my own. Tas yun, dun nabuo yung character ni Jigs talaga Season 2.
Sa mo parang naging interactive siya.
Yeah,
diba?
Oo. Opo.
Ganda. May personal question no? Kasi you're dominating primetime eh. High school, Pamilya Sagrado. Baka susunod pa din TV Patrol. Ikaw. Hindi ka ba may confusion ba when it comes to, okay, kailan ako mag-jigs, kailan ako mag-switch ng character?
Luckily naman, for each show that I'm, a part of, very distinct naman yung character. So meron isang gusto mong maging director na he's still learning himself emotionally, na isang obsessed na stalker, na halos psychopath na, tapos may isang inaapi lang ng frat. So those are all very different and distinct naman. But, syempre there are times na there was this week kasi where I had shot all 3 shows all in 1 week. Tapos medyo doon ako nahirapan i-gauge yung minsan lumalabas si Jigs dito kay Wesley, lumalabas si Jigs masyado kay Wesley, or vice versa. So, it's a matter of, I think, understanding lang yung character mo.
It's different. Kudos to yung hirap ng ginagawa mo. Hindi ko kaya yun, kaya nga nag-host ako rin. Thank you, Harvey.
Thank you, bro.
Now, next question is for Direk Loren. Kaya lang wala pa siya, mamaya na lang yun. Kinakabahan din ako magtanong kay Direk Loren. Okay lang din yun na wala pa si Direk. Tsaka lang muna, Direk. In the meantime, I would like to ask Crystal, Luke, Ralph, and Luis. Your question is, ano yung learnings na nakuha nyo noong season 1 na ina-apply nyo, kamay po tayo sa dibdib, thank you so much. Na ina-apply nyo ngayon sa new season. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, Ralph.
Ako naman na.
Yes.
Yung natutunan ko sa first season, very much more on being more emotionally open. Kasi nga, as you know, Atom in season 1 had struggles with heavy mental issues. Other than mental issues, yung social issues na sa school, with Dino. So eventually in season 2, I made sure to, apply what I learned. Tapos, be more open and be more responsive kung ano yung binabato sa akin ng kapwa-artista ko, whether it be Luis or sila Harvey na ka-eksena ko. So that's something that I really found na very important when it comes to, developing your own character, lalo na season 2 to eh. So you also obviously have to add a new layer to your character and add a new sort of development.
Adding new layer to the character. That's the lesson you learned. Thank you very much, Ralph. Now let's proceed to Crystal.
For me naman po, syempre, I think I myself, I saw a lot of improvement from season 1. So syempre, nahirapan pa ko sa Tagalog. And ako naman as a person, I'm mahinhin and I'm shy. So what I learned from season 1 is how I need to build my confidence to portray this character. Kasi si Tanya naman, she's influencer, she's bubbly. I'm bubbly naman, pero Tanya is more of the extroverted side of me. So what I learned from that is, parang I just really had to put my confidence up to portray Tanya talaga. And also naman, I can say naman my Tagalog improved sa season 2. And na-add ko din yung mga Bisaya words. So I was able to add more Bisaya. Of course, I'm a proud Boholana, so it's nice that I was able to represent my island and also add some of my dialect into the script.
Thank you for adjusting then. I know coming from the province then, I know how hard it is to adjust from Bisaya to Tagalog, and you're doing a great job. Thank you for adjusting. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, to answer the question, Luke.
Okay.
Sobrang ganda.
Wala pa.
Sorry, wala.
Ako as a person, parang mas pinanood ko ulit yung season 1. So, si Kokoy kasi season 1 parang mas siya, mas Kengkoy, diba? Dun nakilala si Kokoy as Kengkoy sa mga tropa, kay Jigs, kay Atom. And sa season 2 siguro mas malakas yung loob niya. Mas pinakita niya na mas malakas yung loob niya sa mga bagay at mas naging sure siya sa mga gusto niya. So, and meron siyang mga intense scenes. So, parang inaral ko rin kung paano si Kokoy sa mga intense ng mga scenes. So, yeah.
Intense in what way?
Secret.
Uy, ito naman, di ba yung reveal? Ano ba yan? Para maging lively.
Panoorin na lang.
Panoorin na lang natin. Sige, ito naman eh. Salamat, Mayor. Parang you're giving kanina Mayor, vibes. Ikaw ba naging kami sarili mo in the future look magiging Mayor someday?
Hindi siguro.
Hindi pa.
Kapitan na lang.
Kapitan, sa bagay. Ba't bagets pa naman kasi, Luke? Thank you, Luke. Ayan. And of course, si Luis naman to answer that question. Ay, sorry na lang. Sorry no. O yan. Go, Luis.
So, ayun po, natutunan ko sa season 1 kung ano yung mga trauma ni Dana. And pinag-aralan ko siya para mas ma-deepen sa season 2. Kasi, yun nga, sinasabi ng natuturo sa akin sa acting coach ko. You're only good as your last work. So, lagi may improvement na pwede dumating. Tapos, syempre nandun yung drive para matugtog. Kasi, hindi mo ma-master yung acting para siyang flow ng water. Kailangan mo lang mag-adjust. So,
Thank you. Acting is like water. It make you sway, make you water. Make you lose your mind, make you water. Thank you for the learnings. Ayan. And